go. Tried it last night, wouldn't go. It's a little warmer today, but no. Ooh, frothy. And I forgot my keys. I think. I have my keys, what did I do? I forgot my keys on me. I was smart. Let's get another one there. Well, thought I left it in there. I guess I took it out. Let's see what we got here. I don't hear any beeping now, so that might not be too good. Tried. Let's try it again. Almost. Turn it. A little bit. Am I pointing here in the right way? Probably not. No, it's going.